Google made waves in the tech sphere by introducing Gemini, an artificial intelligence system that marks a groundbreaking advancement in AI capabilities. Regarded as a potential revolutionary force across various industries, Gemini adaptively integrates diverse data types, ushering in unprecedented opportunities in the realm of machine learning. Today, we're going to discuss everything about Gemini. Structured in 3 distinct versions to cater to specific requirements, Gemini signals a forthcoming era dominated by AI that has the potential to rival and in some cases surpass human intelligence. Its multimodal features not only build upon but also surpass predecessors like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, showcasing an enhanced ability to dynamically comprehend the intricacies of our complex world. With Google gearing up for real-world implementation, Gemini raises critical ethical concerns regarding responsibility and safety. When utilised with careful consideration, its potential applications range from everyday productivity tasks to groundbreaking scientific advancements that could reshape our world. Gemini's design centres on the 3 unique editions: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro and Gemini Nano, each tailored for specific applications based on their capabilities and efficiency. Gemini Ultra stands as the epitome of the system's intricacy and cognitive prowess, boasting extensive parameters and data inputs. Ultra is geared towards tackling highly sophisticated tasks such as scientific exploration and strategic planning, pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities to their utmost limits. Meanwhile, Gemini Pro achieves a harmonious equilibrium between capability and flexibility. Designed with streamlined architectures optimized for cloud integration, Pro easily adapts to various applications, spanning from content creation to automating customer service. Lastly, Gemini Nano condenses the system's intelligence into a lightweight model, specifically crafted for on-device deployment. Whether incorporated into mobile phones or smart home hubs, Nano facilitates localized AI, ensuring user privacy and minimal latency. At the core of all editions is inherent multimodality, a distinctive feature of Gemini that enables the simultaneous comprehension of various data modes, including text, images, audio, video and beyond. Departing from isolated data processing, this unified comprehension enhances Gemini's ability to grasp information in a more human-like manner, fostering advanced comprehension and reasoning. Gemini's revolutionary methodologies go beyond the superficial, achieving remarkable outcomes across diverse AI metrics. Outperforming preceding state-of-the-art models, Gemini heralds the onset of a novel era in artificial intelligence. Notably, Gemini Ultra attains a remarkable score of 90%, marking the first instance where a model surpasses human experts in massive multitask language understanding. This comprehensive assessment encompasses 57 subjects, spanning disciplines such as math, physics, history, law, medicine and ethics, evaluating both worldly knowledge and problem-solving capabilities. Immerse yourself in the transformative potential of Gemini as it reshapes the landscape of AI. Driving these significant advancements is a robust technical infrastructure meticulously designed to efficiently train and deploy Gemini. Google employs custom-designed tensor processing units, offering state-of-the-art acceleration for the development and execution of models on a large scale. Further fine-tuning customizations are implemented to optimize Gemini for real-time applications. Gemini Ultra stands out by achieving an impressive score of 59.4% on the recently introduced MMMU benchmark. This benchmark encompasses a broad spectrum of multimodal tasks that demand thoughtful reasoning across diverse domains. In terms of imaging benchmarks, Gemini Ultra surpasses prior state-of-the-art models, notably achieving this without relying on OCR systems to extract text from images. These benchmarks underscore Gemini's inherent multimodal and provide early indications of its advanced reasoning capabilities. Going beyond mere boundary pushing, Gemini's capabilities hold the potential for broad and practical impacts across various industries. The initial integration of Gemini into Google's existing services and innovative applications highlights its versatile capabilities. For instance, its contribution to enhancing the YouTube experience is evident in the substantial improvement of video content recommendations, leading to a more captivating and personalized user interface. In the immediate future, Gemini is poised to revolutionize search functionalities, advertising approaches, and productivity software such as Gmail. It exhibits the capacity to correlate queries with pertinent results regardless of exact phrasing and swiftly analyze emails to emphasize crucial information. Developers are provided with tools to create new applications leveraging Gemini's capabilities. Its proficiency in data analysis makes it well suited for software capable of autonomously interpreting charts, extracting insights, and generating presentations for stakeholders. Moreover, its applications extend to advanced code completion for programmers and the precise summarization of medical reports. In the realm of scientific research, Gemini has played a pivotal role in utilizing AlphaFold to achieve breakthroughs in predicting protein structures, thereby expediting progress in medical and biological research. For consumers, Gemini enhances the digital experience by offering a more intuitive and responsive interface. It can furnish shopper guides that analyze photos and videos to suggest purchases and generate detailed travel itineraries based on intricate user preferences. Nevertheless, the realization of transformative potential alongside raw computational advancements must prioritize public confidence and social cohesion. While Gemini's introduction lays the groundwork for unlocking the potential of AI, responsible guidance must consistently guide the ongoing journey. With care, imagination, and wisdom, humanity can develop tools that benefit all, bridging gaps once considered insurmountable. While the journey of Gemini signifies a noteworthy achievement, it remains an early step in the journey of responsibly unleashing the full potential of AI. The transition from pioneering prototypes to practical, real-world applications presents intricate challenges that demand sustained coordination across various sectors. One such challenge is the inevitability of unforeseen flaws or detrimental failures even after rigorous testing. The deployment of multidimensional systems like Gemini introduces unexpected risks as corner case gaps disrupt software rollouts. Consistent scrutiny from expert evaluators is essential to unveil and address potential threats before public deployment. However, certain challenges extend beyond purely technical solutions. Economic repercussions, such as job losses resulted from increased efficiency, necessitate nuanced policy interventions. Distortions in popular culture's portrayal of AI can lead to unfounded fears and polarization, highlighting the importance of proactive education and outreach. Responsible progress calls for inclusive governance and participatory processes attuned to social dynamics. Through dedicated collaboration, summoned to navigate challenging moments with wisdom, possibilities are poised for discovery along unexplored paths ahead. Leadership that aligns with shared aspirations, while acknowledging risks with humility, can guide AI steadily towards enhancing lives globally. Therefore, the launch of Gemini is not an endpoint, but rather a commencement. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinions in the comments section below.